Hey guys, tissue sizes are different, so we should measure this. Width, depth, and height. Our next step is add them all up. Mine is 27 centimeters. And what you want to do is put the fabrics right size together. Next, we are gonna stitch along the line except the opening. Now snip those corners to turn it right side out. After turning, you can press it neatly with your iron. I'm closing the opening with leather stitch. The next one we are gonna prepare is 2 buttons. And fold it in half diagonally and then stitch 9 centimeters away from the edge. Next, we are gonna open it right in the middle and make sure triangles are in the center and then put the tissue. So now you want to take and attach the buttons. Let's put the button through this side and fix it a little bit. Now you can get the other button up through there. Well done! Thank you for enjoying me and see you next time. Bye!